Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new and updated Microsoft Outlook calendar events to Slack? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for when an event is added or updated in Microsoft Outlook calendar, and then automatically post the event details as a new message in the specified channel in Slack. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Microsoft Outlook calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your Slack account. After your account is connected, select the channel that you want to sync to. After you click Next and Install Now, this bot will be up and running. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. Although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by adding a new event in the Outlook calendar that you specified, and then by updating a pre-existing event. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. You can see the bot history for each bot, as shown here, that will show a history of each time that your bot syncs. The bot power used each time that your bot syncs will be shown here. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered by a new or updated event in Outlook calendar. You can see here that the new and updated events from Outlook calendar were successfully posted as new messages in Slack. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we will be happy to help you.